Hey everyone! Today in this video we are at Renaissance Nature Walk residential project. It is located in Whitefield, Bangalore. So here in front you can see this is a car parking space. And now here we will give you the interior view of a 4 BHK villa. So this we have entered through the main door. And here you can see this is the spacious living area. And here in the outside you can see this is the garden space. This is the dining space. And this is the kitchen's view. The spacious kitchen. With a separate utility space. And now we are heading towards the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom of this villa. Along with an attached washroom. And here is the common washroom. Now here is the staircase. And we are moving upstairs towards the first floor of this villa. So this is the first floor. And here is the second bedroom. With an attached washroom. Now this is the living space on the first floor. And now we are moving towards the another bedroom. So friends, this is the third bedroom, that is the master bedroom of this villa. And here is the attached washroom. And this is the balcony attached with this master bedroom. So it's a wide balcony. So now moving next, we are heading towards the second floor of this villa. This is the fourth bedroom. And here is the washroom attached with this bedroom. So all the rooms are spacious and well ventilated. And this is the open terrace. So friends, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries you can call us at the given number. Thank you.